Hello, Modern Manufacturing. Thank you for taking the time to join this call. While I realize this time period may be better for some than others, I appreciate your desire to be a part of this session and the beginning of our journey together. My name is Blake Collins, and I am pleased to address you today as the new CEO of M&M. But more than that, I am excited to join this global family as a contributor, collaborator, and leader of M&M's transformation towards being the #1 manufacturing provider for our products and services in the medium-sized marketplace. Just a bit about me. I've just recently relocated to our headquarters in Cleveland, Ohio, from the southern United States, specifically Houston, Texas, with my wife of 16 years, our 12-year-old daughter, and 9-year-old son. We are anxious to get settled in and become a part of our local community. Outside of work, I have a variety of hobbies that range from playing the drums and working on old arcade machines. However, most of my time is spent watching my kids in their athletic endeavors. My son is an avid soccer player, football to many of you outside of the USA, while my daughter has taken quite a different route by competing in horsemanship riding events. As a family, we also like to travel and adventure, though I'm not sure my wife knew when she married me that by travel, that meant moving and not vacation. Since our graduation together at university in 2006, we have lived in 3 different states across the US, including one in the far north, one in the deep south, and now one in the Midwest. We've also spent a 3.5-year period in Singapore. While each generated just as much nervousness as excitement, everyone also led to great adventures, positive experiences, new friends, and ultimately a stronger family. My family looks forward to doing the same here in Ohio, just as I look forward to embarking on this exciting journey with a modern manufacturing family. At M&M, we have a long-standing tradition of product performance, quality service, and reliability for our overall life cycle. M&M products are utilized globally and have assuredly been a crucial part of the industry since our inception. Our manufacturing facilities in Mumbai, India, and Shanghai, China for years have provided reliable and continuous operations in order to provide just-in-time service for our customers. Our service centers in San Francisco, California, and Boston, Massachusetts have provided fantastic support to ensure that any product issues are resolved swiftly and that our customers remain happy. And of course, none of this would be possible without the many functions performed by our corporate team here in Cleveland, Ohio. The M&M team should be proud of our accomplishments in the industry. It is because of the dedication, hard work, and put forth by everyone on this call and countless others that M&M is a $50 million global provider of manufacturing services today. We have an excellent history. However, as I'm sure many of you are aware, our capture of market share has declined in the past 3 years, and in 2022, for the first time in company history, we did not produce a profit. As someone who has spent the better part of my career in manufacturing, I certainly know the pressures this industry can provide and the fierceness of our competition. At times, the challenges can seem insurmountable. Clients have demanded more efficiency in production and increased reliability in our product line. At the same time, we have to be conscious of our competitors' pricing while somehow investing in our future. And on top of it all, we must keep a healthy bottom line. These are indeed challenges. However, together we have the ability to not only confront them, but turn them into opportunities. We must invest, we must innovate, we must remain safe, and we need to have fun along the way. Investment is in the global team. Investment is in you. Investment means the opposite of reduction. Hence, please dispel any rumors on reductions in our workforce. We need innovation, which means we need ideas. And for that, we need our people. That is why beginning next week, we'll be opening up an invitation for a contest entitled Everyone Innovates. This invitation is open to everyone, no matter what part of the world you're in, and regardless of business unit. There will be 3 categories for innovation, and you may submit to any and all categories as many times as you like over the next month. A committee has been formed to look over results and will look to select a winning idea from each category. Should your idea be chosen, we will ask you to become part of the process for implementation. It is also possible that other ideas are flagged and set aside for future implementation. Not surprisingly, the 3 categories align with our focused improvements. First, we need to innovate our processes for manufacturing. For the products we have on hand, how can we produce them faster? For that, I issue a challenge to our team members, especially our experts, in India and China? Is there opportunity for improvement in our current processes? Are there ways to enhance them as they sit now? If not, what investments would we need to make? Every idea is welcome, and more than that, every idea is needed. Second, we need to innovate our product line. While we have enjoyed great success with our products, we have become stagnant. The current design is never the future design. We must keep an eye ahead. This means listening to our clients for what they desire and then determining what we can achieve. Our clients will pay if there is value. However, if all products are the same, the cheapest will prevail. We're not interested in a race to the bottom of pricing. We are interested in being market leaders. Let us produce what we manufacture now better than our competition and outshine them in our design of tomorrow. Finally, our services. What can we do differently than our competition? Are our services just bound to installation, warranty, and repair? What we could offer that makes M&M stand apart. We look for great success and everyone innovates, and knowing that we'll be a successful collaborative, we will look to do something similar on an annual basis, if not more than that. While we cannot hope to solve all issues overnight or even in one contest, we will succeed by continually making small improvements in our business as a result of your ideas and our collaboration together. Now, it may seem odd that you're hearing me today speak around investing after reporting that we experienced our first ever loss last year. Is this risky? Perhaps. However, I tell you, it's far riskier for us to not invest in our people, our products, and our future. As your new leader and fellow collaborator, I will be looking for innovations myself. We must return to profitability. While I am confident that investment in our people and the innovation you bring will stir positive growth, we must also recognize what we do poorly and provide correction. My first focus will be on unnecessary spending. However, I want to reiterate that our people are not only necessary, but our greatest assets. I therefore want the M&M family to know that reductions in benefits or pay are not being considered at this time and will always be a last resort. Rather, we will start with myself and the rest of the corporate team. To this point, senior leaders above executive leadership -2 have been granted business class travel for trips greater than 4 hours. By next week, we will be issuing a new travel policy for all M&M team members that includes the entire executive leadership team. Moving forward, all work travel, regardless of international or domestic, will require that all team members fly economy regardless of title. Now, this is a small step, but the first of many that I hope will create a culture free of waste. We are in this together, and I want you to know that I would not ask you to do something that I would not do myself. We will continue to search for synergies that produce savings while avoiding financial impact to our team. I want everyone to hear that word again. Team. We are not just employees, but a team. While teams can have leaders, we only win if the team wins and if we all operate under the same parameters. So, we will invest, we will innovate, and we must remain safe. It is essential that we keep safety first and foremost in our minds, while in the workplace and even beyond. Your value as a person and as a family member far outweigh any job you can perform for M&M. My mission is for you to return every day home safely. There is no incident or accident that is acceptable, especially when preventable. Our goal for this year, as it should be for any year, is to have 0 injuries. To keep safety at the top of our minds, moving forward, all team leads will lead a safety minute before the start of each shift in our production facilities. For non-manufacturing facilities, it will be asked that all internal meetings begin with a safety minute. We must begin our days with safety in mind. However, it is not enough to just speak on safety, but we must act. Therefore, today I'm authorizing the use of stop work authority for all M&M team members. If you witness an unsafe act taking place or about to take place, know now that you have the ability to stop work. This means stopping fellow team members, contractors, or guests. Guidance on how to use stop work authority is available on our intranet. However, if there are any questions, please consult with your direct supervisor. Safety is paramount. I therefore hope that you will join me in the mission towards 0 injuries and a safe workplace. And finally, we can't forget to have fun. I know that we can be successful in that with investment and innovation, we can be the #1 manufacturer in our market. However, if we aren't having fun while doing it, then it just doesn't make it worthwhile. We have to come to work to make a living, but I want to come to work to have fun with my team. Therefore, we will be looking to enhance existing break rooms toward a better networking atmosphere. In addition, we will be holding local team builder events in each location. To lead these efforts, we will be looking for engagement champions. We want our engagement champions to be excited about collaboration and enthusiastic about fostering a positive work environment. Now, if this is you, starting next week on the M&M intranet, the teamwork site, there will be an available link to apply and share why you would make a great engagement champion. Each location's champion will be given a small budget to manage for what has already been mentioned as well as new ideas. Together we will work better, and when working together, we absolutely have more fun. I know I can't wait to see these new environments in China, India, and locations across the US. I'll also look forward to joining each Global Team Builders activities. I can't express enough my excitement to be part of the team at Modern Manufacturing. I believe that our future is very bright. We have a history of excellence. We have the people on the product line to be successful. The M&M team has done it before, and we will do it again. We have the ability together to make the necessary changes as an organization. Together we will invest. Together we will innovate. Together we must keep each other safe. And together we will have fun. Together we can become the #1 manufacturing firm for our products and service for medium-sized business in the marketplace. Thank you so much for joining this call today and allowing me to share my vision. I look forward to meeting the team across the globe in the coming months and to seeing your ideas and everyone innovates. For those of you who have to leave this call now, I hope you have an excellent rest of your day and stay safe. For those who can stay, I certainly welcome questions you may have. Due to such a large audience, I would ask you send the questions through the chat, and I will do my best to answer them. For those that I do not get to in the rest of the time available, I will certainly make sure to get those out in a reply along with this recording. So with that, please let me know what questions you may have.